What's up? I'm just getting ready for my trip to Croatia today. We just came back from the bakery. The essentials, am I right? And we're getting ready to go from Brittany, France to Lorient. And then from Lorient, we're going to spend the day in Nantes. And after Nantes, we will head to the airport. And our flight leaves at 6:15 tomorrow. At the airport in Nantes, and there's barely any people here. I think I counted 10 people. And we found these benches that we are gonna lay on, try to take a nap. Our flight check-in isn't until 4:15 in the morning, so currently midnight, close to midnight, and just gonna try to get a couple of hours to sleep in. We've cleaned off all the benches and everything, so it's all sanitized, keeping our mask on for safety. See you on the plane. Platter for 2 people. Here's our fresh seafood lunch today. We've got some sea bass, mussels, fried calamari, fresh prawns straight off the grill. Wow. Chips. And chips. Good. Wow. It's strong, but it's smooth. Look at this water. Pulling into our first island here. Ready to go.
Not a bad view at all.
A light, quick little lunch here in the old town of Dubrovnik, also known as File. So we went to a local grocery store called Pemo and we bought some cider and waters and some sandwich meats, cheese, sandwich bread, and we just made our little sandwich today and we're having a picnic.
Swordfish steak, sea mash, sea bream, some little squid, some huge mussels, some langoustines, prawns, and I think that's enough to get us started. Oh, some
and
roasted
some
Mediterranean veggies. And Croatian olive oil, of course.
Thank you so much for watching my first vlog. I was super excited to finally put it all together for you and share it with you. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I would love for you to comment down below or message me directly about what you liked about the video or what you didn't like. You know, it is my first time vlogging and editing, so I'm open to feedback. Make sure you follow me on my YouTube page, my new Instagram and Facebook page. That's where I'll be uploading all my content. Thanks again so much for watching and supporting. Show your love, share this video if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you soon.